work Tuesday night too, was it Tuesday night? But there was no secretary.
Emma! Yummy dog!
I love the dog. Their way doing one of the good ones. So I told Ted once and I was like, wait. And talked to him and he's like, oh my God, are you kidding? And I said, yeah. And I'm saying it was a good sale. So, you know, I think it's foul weather.
Are you sneezing?
He was like, oh
Yummy.
my God, you are the one.
Whoa.
However, if I were injured and